Hi, I'm Mark from Voyage, and in today's very short video, I'd like to ask you a question. Have you ever spent your money on something that just wasn't worth it? On something that just didn't meet your expectations or price? Well, I have, and that's why I chose to offer my courses for as little as $1 or $5. Well, you may go, what kind of quality content is for $5? And my today's question is, what do you have to lose? I mean, for $5, you'll gain exclusive access to private teaching videos as long as 1 hour in real time or shorter ones, right? Between 5 and 20 minutes. Downloadable HD copies, any of my artwork, discounts to my e-store, lucky draws, and more. Well, and the more part means gifts. Oh yeah, go to my website to see more, and go to my Instagram. Follow for more. Go.